everybody. So today we actually, if you don't know in our last vlog, we actually froze. We made colored baking soda and vinegar. We froze it over 2 days. We decided one day it was not enough because it wasn't frozen. So we did 2 days. Lay down. So we're gonna see how this turned out. If you don't know, I added red dye in this. Before it was like a lightest green. When I added red, it totally turned pink. So
I want pink.
let's see. Get close up of this opening. Don't open it yet. Don't open it yet. I need to go grab something for this camera setup. Right here.
His hair.
Ooh, that's yours. Okay, guys, let's get started. Whoa.
So my sister crushed it a bit and went through. Ooh, it's so
Okay, so
satisfying.
it's actually like,
Can I hold on?
ooh, it's so like weird.
It's so foamy.
Trying to focus. Focus, Kim.
Ooh,
It
it's
melts
just-
in your hand. Wait, stop putting your hand in the background. Trying to get close up. Okay. Focus, come on. Okay, so
It melted on my
it melts on your hand.
So that's
So it's like ice cream.
So we're gonna keep crushing until it gets melty.
Your hand is in the camera. You're not giving them to see.
Hey, I wanna do it.
Then don't put your hand in the camera way. You can't see the way you're cooking. Let me put it in the corner.
It's melting. And later on, it turns white. And
Oh, it's like melting. Okay, you start crushing. Looks like ice cream.
we keep stirring it until it gets a melted consistency.
You can see.
Later on, we're not ever gonna throw this mix because it's ice cream.
Whoa, totally melted.
So it melted in a few seconds after we put it in the freezer.
Whoa! Can I see this consistency? Everybody wants to see. So it turned out to be this light, like ice cream color. Focus. It's really cool. Your shade is like not letting it focus. There we go. Got some focus. Really beautiful.
It's my favorite color.
Mhm.
But she also likes pink.
Okay. So we got a nice pinky stuff. We got a nice ice cream kind of consistency. It's really pretty.
There's some more on the floor to use for the bottom.
It's really nice. So what should we do now?
Guys, that's our video.
No, that's like so short. So if you don't know, it turned into ice cream consistency. So we're gonna grab the thing. Okay. So it goes back more. It does. Drips. Like, okay, so got some ice cream consistency we have. Get a close up of this. So that's what we got. So
And
we're gonna
besides, it's school tomorrow for me. Yay!
schools are opening up. Tomorrow's my sister's school. Tomorrow I have homeschool, but on Tuesday I have school. So I was thinking we add Play-Doh in this.
No!
We add a little Play-Doh in this so it turns more ice creamer. So maybe we could do like a ice cream.
Not my Play-Doh. My Play-Doh. Let me bring. So guys,
Get your lightest color that you can
I'm
get.
going to go and grab a collection of Play-Doh. And
It's not a collection.
no, I don't have a collection, but in 3 seconds, show you guys. Let me move away.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
so I'm gonna gather all the, like, you can see all of this on the sides, and I'm gonna try to take it off. Come on. There's a lot on this top part, so. Very nice. Like, so it actually looks like strawberry ice cream I've eaten before. Oh yeah. We are. We are. So you have a box. Inside is. Can't open it. Gonna try it. Oh, so we have a whole section of things. So we have 3 Play-Dohs.
And a little spoon.
None of them are white, so we're gonna add this one. We're gonna add a little yellow.
Which one?
Yellow. Not black. Green. Green will make it brown. So we got this nice yellow. Yellow and pink makes a really good
What color
orange.
was it?
Orange with yellow. Like a nice peachy orange, yeah. Not green. Green will make it brown. So we're gonna collect some of this stuff and we're gonna add it in.
I'm gonna taste this.
Don't eat. Can I borrow this? Don't eat Play-Doh.
Why?
So we're gonna only grab a spoon.
No, all of it.
What? Okay, we're gonna start with 2 spoons.
I want all. I want.
So we got another pellet of Play-Doh in there.
that.
Okay, then stop playing with the
Then
green.
put everything in there.
First, we're gonna start with 2. I said stop. Okay, so we have our Play-Doh in there. I said stop. She's so annoying. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wait. I gotta set
On
it.
my iPad.
What? What's wrong? Just stop. Okay.
Come
So
on.
we gotta chunk that Play-Doh. You have to break it to pieces. You might just hear it. Stir it up.
It's not turning to
I think
it.
she needs very much help. Yeah. Gotta really mash it up. So we're gonna add some hot water in
No,
this.
no.
I'm melting. Wait, it's working. I'm crushing it.
I'm gonna put it in.
Oh, add the whole thing. Yes, it's not gonna work. It's already too chunky. Let me just mix this up first, okay? Gotta really mash. Then what it will look like? What is it gonna look like? What do you think it looks like?
Pink box.
It looks like mango. You know, like a mango with like a strawberry filling or something. I don't know. It's a really like nice ice cream texture.
You have to wash the spoons as well. So also, guys, we're making not a camping video.
Oh, we're going camping.
Pretend. And do you want to make a video of it?
We're going boat camping.
Do you want to make a video of it?
Comment down below if you want us to make a video of our fake boat camping. Comment down below, guys. Do you want to make it?
I say no.
I say okay.
Bye.
Bye. Got this very nice consistency. Well, I definitely think we should add a little hot water.
No.
Just like a little bit. A
No,
spoon.
no.
Stop! Don't scoop it. It's really like weird. But I think it looks like a strawberry mango kind of filling. Really nice. With a spoon.
Richard, you're wasting all my Play-Doh.
You said you wanted to add it all. That's your fault. Okay, so we got some nice like ice cream kind of filling. Don't take it out of the bowl. We're not mixing it in again because we don't know what's going to turn out. Freeze the Play-Doh?
No, some Play-Doh overflow in the freezer.
Really? Okay, I'm going to really crush it. Shut up.
Can we keep it in the jar?
Can you just wait, please? I need to mix it. Really, you have to mix it really well because...
Wait, did you add another can?
No, this is only like a few spoons. Why do you want to add the whole can? That's the can I just used. Okay guys, so we're good. I'm going to mix. Now just wait, you guys. Just wait.
Bye.
No!
I'm talking about...
Not yet. Don't stop it. Also, I'm going to turn back.
Why do you care about videos? Okay. Are we doing the rare food combination?
Okay, add some hot water. Now it should really mix in there. Mix it. My sister's really annoying in videos, guys. That's bad. Okay, we need more Play-Doh.
No.
Little more.
No.
Little more yellow. Then we were gonna freeze this, but we're not gonna show it on a video. The freeze. You have like another jar of the yellow, Yesh. Crush it again. Crush. Okay, so that's our mix. You know what? I learned this, that after you freeze baking soda with vinegar, it turns into an ice cream form with Play-Doh. That's how I wanted to add a Play-Doh. So I learned this on a science thing. So yes, that's for it. That's it this video. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell. We're not going to be showing you a video of our freezed one unless we can, but yeah.
Watch my iPad.
Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Shout out to all my subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much. Bye.